Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete a playlist from Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Spotify app. So here it is. Now we are in home. To find the playlist, we need to click on your library over here. So let's click on this. And here we can see our playlist PL1. So press on this for a while and you can see various options like listening to music, download pin playlist, and here is delete playlist. You can simply tap on delete playlist. Now finally, if you are sure about deleting it, click on delete. So you are done. So this is it. So this is how we can delete a playlist in Spotify. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.